Hello people, my name is Ferdy, and in this course, in this playlist with a lot of separate videos, I'll show you how you can get started with Elementor V4, also known as the Atomic Editor. If you read the book Atomic Habits, it has nothing to do with the subject, but it's a really good read, it can benefit you. But in this course, we're going to talk about the Atomic Editor, Elementor version 4. It's still in beta, but from next week on, there is a release that is stable enough to work on production sites. So instead of making one long video, which I eventually will do, I will show you step by step how to install it, how to activate it, how to upgrade your current Elementor website to the V4 editor, and how you can work with the tool. And I've been playing around with it. I have to say the learning curve is a little bit steeper, but your website will be faster and it's so much better. Man, when you get hold of how everything works, I'm really excited. And I'm really excited to show you step by step how everything works. So in this first video, I will show you how you can install Elementor version 4 beta on your website. So let's get started. I have a website over here, LV4. You can guess what it stands for, elementorv4.com. It's a real live website right now. It looks like this. I just installed it and I got rid of all the plugins that are necessary. So in order to get started with Elementor version 4, let's go to ferdy.com/Elementor. And I'm happy to tell you that we're gonna get started with the free version. So I can go to the plans. Before there was a button over here where you can download Elementor, the free version. They hid it or it's not even there anymore. So what we can also do, we can go to our WordPress website. If you don't have a WordPress website yet, you can go to the link over here, or you can go to ferdy.com. Click over here and search for Hostinger. There I show you how to get your own free domain name, how to get web hosting, how to create your own email account and use it on all your devices. So you need to scroll down a bit, I guess. Hostinger tutorial over here. I assume you already have it. So what I will do, I will hover over here. I will go to plugins. I click on add a plugin. And over here is Elementor. If you don't see that, go to Elementor or type that in. And then over here, Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. I click on install now. I activate it. Awesome. Then I click on the X over here. I go to the screen options. I like to keep things organized, so I uncheck this so I don't see this on the home screen, on the dashboard. Now, I go to Elementor, to the editor, to tools. Then I go to the third tab, version control. And you see right now we're using version 3.3. I want to use version 3.5 beta 01x3521. Just kidding. Over here, I say I want to be a beta tester. So I click on enable. I save the changes. I can sign up if I want to see the most recent updates or beta versions. I already have done that, so I close this. Now I go to the dashboard to updates and I click on check again. Reinstall version 6.9 can also help. There it is, plugin. It has a 1 next to it. So if I click over here, now it says Elementor has a new version, which is 3.35 beta 2. This morning it was beta 1, so there's a new update. I love it. I click on update now. It's updated. So let me go to the dashboard. Okay. What I will do now, instead of going to Elementor, I want to go to Appearance, Themes, add a theme. Then I want to add the Hello theme. So I search for Hello. Then I search for Elementor Hello. Install now. I activate it. Then I go to the theme details. Delete the 2025 theme. Okay. We're not there yet. Because before we get started, we need to go to Elementor again, to the editor, to settings. Now I need to go to the last step, which is version 4. Now we need to activate it. Otherwise, we still don't see the new version of Elementor. So I click on activate the new experience. Read this. And if you don't, so you can say, I've read it and I understood. If you don't understand it, then you get my permission to still check that. I activate it. They advise you not to do this on a live website. It says, welcome, you've got the newest version of the editor. Awesome. Now I hover over new and I click on page. I call this the home page or home. I click on publish, publish it again. And before I edit this with Elementor, I want to do one more thing. I click over here. I go to the website. Then I go to the customizer. And then over here at homepage settings, I select a static page. And I want to show the homepage over here instead of my archive. So I select the homepage, publish. So now if I close this and I am at the front end of my website, lv4.com, I can edit the page. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if I click on edit with Elementor, we have the new Elementor version. You see it over here, Atomic Habits. Let me close this for now. So over here, I see Atomic Elements, the Div Block, the Flexbox. So what is going on? Step by step, version 4 is being more integrated within Elementor. So if I scroll down, there are also still version 3 elements like the container, the grid, the heading, the image. But step by step, they're making everything for version 4. So over here, I have a heading and an image, but also here with the Atomic Elements, we also have a heading and an image. So with every update, new elements will be added to the Atomic Elements area, which is version 4. If you want to know if it's version 4, you will see this beautiful, cool icon over here. So I do my best to make use of as most as possible of those elements. And then through the weeks, through the months, more will be added. And if there's something new with Elementor, with the Atomic Editor of version 4, I will definitely make a video about it. So in the next video, I will show you how you can upgrade or update your current Elementor website towards version 4 with the most recent beta version. If you want to stay up to date with the latest videos, in this case about Elementor V4, then feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and I will make a beautiful playlist. There are also ugly playlists, but this is a beautiful playlist where I will show you every single video I make about version 4. I'm really excited, to be honest, off the record. Normally I'm not honest, but this time I considered myself to be kind of the Elementor guy in 2018, 2019. And then I started going all over the place and Elementor started making a lot of other tools. And I was like, whoa, I still like a page builder. Now I want to be, I don't want to be, how do you say that? I really respect other Elementor creators like Reno. I think he's one of the best. So I'm not talking about competition, but for myself, I want to be as good as possible in explaining the new version of Elementor. There have been other tools, other page builders, and I see a lot of people switching to them. And that's totally fine. I will also make tutorials about those tools, but I want to dive deep, immerse myself in Elementor V4 and make the best tutorials possible. So I hope to be kind of the Elementor guy anymore again. Yes, okay, let's keep it with this. In the next video, I will show you how to update your current Elementor website towards the new version.